Park? Huh? You ready? Are you ready? So today's firearm carry is the SIG P320, and we're gonna go ahead and put that right there. Perfect. Let's go for a drive. So me and the pup are gonna go. I guess her too. We're gonna go to the dog park, get a little energy out of that guy because he's a little spastic and a little nuts. But today we're gonna do a, Jesus, dare I say, a little DDE driving. Don't get offended. Don't dislike the video like the last one, because you guys, Jesus Christ. The last video was banter. It was playful poking because I'm jealous of the car they drive. I'm grown enough to say, and man enough to say, I'm jealous. You're doing what I wish I could do. Now would I go to the extremes you're going to in that car? No, but you guys have spawned something now, so it's a new movement going. Probably gonna piss some people off. That's fine, I don't give a shit. We're gonna call it Daily Destroyed Exotics. But, in any case, let's go get some energy out of this guy. He's not even paying attention. White people. And yeah, then let's go play. Okay, we're gonna get the first Burnout in the silver. I'm just fucking kidding, we're not doing that. Oh, it's so ugly. Wait for it. Wait for the bump. You ready? 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 So in true DDE fashion, you know, I want to shout out a product to this right here, top quality hat from a company called Flag Nor Fail. If you go to their website today and you use discount code 86face, you will save absolutely no money. Go get one today. So you guys, just to reiterate again, if you didn't see the first 30 seconds of the video, it was banter, it was playful, and you guys took it way too seriously. That's cool, I get it, man. I love how loyal their fans are. I'm a fan, but relax a little bit. It ain't that serious. Anyway, we're done at the dog park. We're gonna go play. So see what kind of trouble we can get into. Okay, we're back at the house. Park was a good time. Dog got so excited he threw up. Good job, Aries. Love you, buddy. Now we're gonna pull this hoe out and the drag radial. So let's do that. Before. Okay, so a lot of you have seemed to forget that that is a race car. So those dusty rubber things under there, those are called drag radials. They ain't been on the car over a year. So let's bust those back out. Oh God! So for everybody that forgot, we're running a Dark Star. These are 305/45 R17. So they're not massive, but they fucking grip. So we're gonna go out, you know, here in a little bit, you know, when the Holly traffic comes in just a tad. Probably not, we're probably gonna go anyway. And get a couple little baby hits in, because those tires that are on there currently have, what's the word I'm looking for? None. No traction. Zero traction. So these should help out with that. So we're gonna put these on. So you can see, like, these are beautiful Belgian wheels, but to fit these 20s, I gotta have a little bit of a smaller sidewall. Not so much on the 17s here. We got a bit more sidewall, we got a bit more girth, we got a bit more everything. So yeah, if this doesn't solve it, it's gonna solve it, let's be serious. We're gonna get these on now. So to be perfectly honest, one of the things I was really worried about with doing this today, these haven't been on the car in a long time at this point. They had never been tested on the new hubs. They had never been tested over the new brakes. They had never been tested with the coilovers. And everything fits very close, very close, but it fits. And fuck, that looks good. Car just looked like it's ready to fuck around now. Okay, so they own. I gotta go pick up a couple things. We had to check the air pressure and everything, but time to go fuck around. So let's check what the DDE tonight is due to the good old TRC channel. Oh, of course there's an ad. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh, I'll take that all day long. Let's go play. So, happy Sunday morning. I was trying to get a couple more hits for you guys last night, but man, I was playing a little bit. Torque management on the car's all over the place. Like I showed you in the last video, we got to get a retune. It is what it is. Even on the drag radials, you got to remember it's kind of chilly right now, and without ripping a fat burnout, they are not gripping as well as I thought they would, so we're spinning a little bit. I'm going to go out here this morning, get a couple more hits for everybody. And then we're going to switch the tires back on, and we're meeting up with my buddy John in the CTSV later, and we're going to an undisclosed hidden location somewhere here in the United States, and we're going to go play for real. So we're going to get our DDE on today, so to speak. Anyway, let's get it. So the funny thing is like right now I'm sitting in the car, and I'm letting it warm up a little bit because you never... here's something else our Canadian friends can learn. You never want to rev up or womp on a cold ass engine. That's how you damage it. Sorry guys, but like even sitting here right now, like the car's shaking. V6 shouldn't shake. It's because we're also running a softer sidewall in the rear right now, so giving it a little more play for the whole car. But shit's moving. I love this damn thing. Let's go play. So we're gonna use the TRC app again and see currently what the DA is. And here comes the ad. Go back. Now let's see what the DA comes out to. 1374. It's not horrible. Humidity is a little high, but we should be able to get some good boost out of this. So yeah, we're also going to use this app and another app called Track Addict to get a little bit of telemetry for you guys when I go play. So boom. So right now we're in third gear, 24 miles an hour. We're gonna drop it down to second. You're gonna hear the revs go up. 3, 2, 1. She fucking moves, man. She moves, but like, yeah, we really need to get a retune, and that's really kind of fucking with how the car acts. It's kind of bogging. And again, for those of you who don't remember, we have not had this thing retuned in a very long time. Last time it was tuned, it was on a stock transmission, it was on stock gearing, and we had a boost leak that has since been fixed. So now we're running probably 2 more pounds of boost. All right, we're on a frontage road. We're gonna do 45 to 100. 3, 2. 100. Fucking shit. Alright, no fucking around. There's too many fucking cops driving around. The holiday traffic is fucking goddamn ridiculous today. So we're gonna go switch out tires and go play. Another tire change. So there's the regular street tire, Mickey Thompson street comp, and then we were just playing for a little while, get the drag radials nice and warmed up. I think they were just a little sticky, just a tad, and we were still spinning them. This is a problem.
Stop it.
Now we know where he keeps his lunch money. There it is. So, the homie John, everybody knows John. We're taking him to our undisclosed location, and we're gonna go play.
Sure.
We're gonna go hoon around a little bit. You gonna slide your $100,000 Cadillac?
It's just a car.
Fuck with you. So John's moving his car. We found a little area to play. We were gonna go in there, but well, if you can see by the tent, it's just a little sketchy, just tad bit sketchy. And then they have the whole warehouse we were looking at in there, completely gated and welded up. So yeah, that ain't happening. Oh, John. So we're gonna couple a little plays here. Just gotta avoid that thing because yeah, that's heavy. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm down. Says the person without a car here.
Shut up.
Hey John.
Hi.
How rapey is this area?
No.
Scale of 1 to 10. How many herpes will you get?
12.
It's a little sketchy. But if you listen, there's no one around. This is the beauty, or lack thereof, of Fort Worth. Fort Worth, there you go. Yikes. And fuck it. Little smoky, Jesus. That's a wall. So one of the dumb little things I've been having issues with lately is my line lock. I've been testing it. Yeah, so we're gonna do that since, you know, we have the open space to do it. And yeah, nobody is over here. It's kind of eerie, but when there's nobody here, fuck it, you got a playground. Everything's smoking. John, I think I killed it.
I think so.
Okay, I'm happy with that. That's a good fucking time right there. Okay, so we've learned that The Z Automotive Taser is kind of garbage. If anybody wants it, let me know. Power braking burnouts, 10 times easier. That was the worst burnout I've probably ever done in my life, but now we know it fucking works. So, there's your daily Destroyed Exotics upload. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe, all that crazy weird shit we always do on YouTube. Stay savage. All right, now it's actually time to go because we're really not trying to be like DDE.